Host, hey there, aspiring content creators. Are you ready to embark on an exciting YouTube journey? In today's guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating your very own YouTube channel. From setting up your account to optimizing your videos, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to visit youtube.com and sign in using your Google account. If you don't have one, you can easily create a new account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture and select your channel. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your channel name, upload a profile picture, create a channel banner, and write a captivating channel description. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to define its identity. Consider your passions, skills, and interests. What do you want to share with the world? Determine your target audience and brainstorm content ideas that align with your niche. Having a clear vision of your channel's focus will help you attract the right viewers. Content planning is crucial for a successful YouTube channel. Develop a content strategy by outlining video ideas, organizing them into categories or series, and creating a content calendar. Make sure your videos provide value, entertain, or educate your viewers. Focus on high-quality production, using good lighting and clear audio. Be authentic and let your personality shine through. Now it's time to upload your videos to your channel. Prepare catchy titles, engaging descriptions, and relevant tags for each video. Pay attention to your thumbnail images as they can significantly impact click-through rates. Utilize YouTube's features like end screens and cards to encourage viewer engagement and promote your other videos or playlists. Congratulations! You've successfully created your YouTube channel and are ready to share your content with the world. Remember, consistency is key, so aim for a regular upload schedule. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and building a community around your channel. Keep learning, experimenting, and improving your content to attract more viewers and grow your channel. That wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube channel. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your YouTube journey.